Grasshopper Business Phone Review 2025 Worth it for small business? Grasshopper is a virtual business phone system, but is it worth it in 2025? Most people get this wrong by thinking it's just a VoIP app. It's actually a full-featured phone system for small businesses. Step 1. Set up your numbers and extensions. You won't believe what happens next. You can choose toll-free, local or vanity numbers, all managed through a single dashboard. Step 2. Use features like call forwarding, voicemail transcription, and custom greetings. Unlike standard VoIP apps, Grasshopper provides a professional experience without extra hardware. Step 3. Integrate with mobile and desktop apps to stay connected anywhere. Pricing is subscription-based, starting at affordable monthly tiers for small teams. The surprising truth is that Grasshopper makes small businesses look larger and more professional without investing in complex PBX systems. So, is it worth it? If you want flexibility, mobility, and professional features without a traditional phone system, Grasshopper is a smart investment.